Welcome back. Now before you start the creation process, one thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to look at your settings. You can do that by going to this area that says Manage Your Account. There are two things in particular that you want to pay attention to. The first is going to be the domains, and we'll take a closer look at domains when we begin to create landing pages that we're going to host on GetResponse. But the other thing you're going to want to look carefully through is going to be your GetResponse badge. Now, because we're working with a trial, we will not be able to deactivate our GetResponse badge, but the GetResponse badge appears at the bottom of all of GetResponse emails when they go out. And so this is something that you may or may want to have turned off if you think it interferes with your branding and it interferes with your message. Now, the good thing about the badge is that if someone clicks on the link or clicks on the badge, they go to GetResponse, they decide that they're going to get a GetResponse account, then you'll be given a $30 credit for their signing up. Now, finally, you can create GDPR fields. If you go to the bottom link and you click Create a Field, you can have these fields appear inside of your email. So for example, if you wanted to create a field for privacy policy, specifically with application to the GDPR, you can write in this field and then GetResponse gives you can write that privacy policy information in this field or anything that you want to place in here for your GDPR compliance. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.